harmonic balancer puller tool. 24mm socket, 1/2 inch impact. These bolts are on there pretty tight. I think they're torqued over 200 foot-pounds. So you do need a decent gun. I have had air guns that have not had the balls to take these things off. So I'm sure I have Milwaukee's. Bada bing, bada boom. This is a claw. A hook right there at the top. All 3 of those spots. 1, 2, and 3. So I ended up actually needing the longest one in there. But as you can see, I set it on these hooks and then I just finger tight it until it pulls it tight on all 3 of those hook spots. And then you grab a wrench right here, hold it, and you ratchet it. That's gonna, obviously the whole motor's gonna spin right now. That's why you have to have a wrench right here, and it holds this in place and it pulls this out. I'll show you guys. So we can hold it on there, just ratchet. And it slowly pulls it off. Sometimes this can be a lot more of a pain in the butt.